Welcome to MindFuel, your daily practice of turning insight into inner strength. Today's guided meditation is designed to unlock creativity and enhance your problem-solving abilities. Begin by finding a comfortable, quiet space to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Slowly exhale through your mouth, allowing your body to relax with each breath. Now, allow your body to become still and your mind to settle into the present moment. Let go of any thoughts about the past or future, simply focusing on the here and now. Bring your awareness to your creative center, the space within your body where inspiration flows. It may be your heart, your mind, or your gut. Feel the energy of creativity within you, just waiting to be unlocked. Now, think of a challenge or problem you are currently facing. See it clearly in your mind, acknowledging the issue without judgment. Develop a feeling of trust that you have the resources to solve the problem and that the answer is already within you. To nurture this feeling, repeat the following mantra. I am a creative problem solver, and the answers come easily to me. Feel the truth of these words resonate within you. I am a creative problem solver, and the answers come easily to me. With each breath, feel your creative energy growing stronger and more vibrant. With each exhale, let go of any frustration or doubt about finding a solution. Now, imagine yourself in a space filled with creative ideas. It could be a peaceful room, a beautiful garden, or an open sky. See yourself surrounded by inspiration and clarity as solutions to your problem come to you effortlessly. Feel the flow of ideas moving through you, finding new connections, fresh perspectives, and innovative solutions. Trust that creativity is always available to you, and that you can approach problems with a calm and open mind. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling this creative energy building within you. Know that you can access this state of flow at any time, and that your creativity is a powerful tool. When you're ready, take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of creativity and clarity with you.